it's Lacey. Today we are playing, I don't know what this is. Oh my goodness. Complete obby for Robux. Can you believe this actually exists? I'm not sure if this is real. It might be a scam. So let's play. Alright. So I'm already in the obby. And well, we have to do camera tricks. Wait a minute. Am I sure it's the red one? Are you the red one? Are you? Yeah, it's the red one. Okay. I got so confused because it seemed like it was the blue one, but it doesn't really like make sense. Okay, I guess it's. I don't know. I don't know which one it is. Let me. Wait. Alright, it's pink. Don't go to blue. Alright. Let's get this on with, wait, hey, this girl isn't letting me, wait, it's not that. It is green, obviously, because none of them were it. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Yeah, this is gonna be hard. No, I touched it. Oh, boy. Just so you know, I have a surprise at the end of the video. Wait a minute. What? Hey, let me go. Alright. What is this? What? I just took a fitness spinner out. Yep, alright. Let me try this. Okay, the rules of fidget spinner, then it might just touch it. No! I touched it! Why? Let me go and help and see what I have to do. Complete the obby, then touch the Robux pads and wait to... No, I'm not doing this. No, I cannot wait. No. Let's play... this one. Alright, play. Alright guys, we are in the game right now. And yes, I changed my avatar again. I kinda wasn't liking the jacket one. So I was like, why not just make something cool? Oh! And would you look at that? My avatar is actually related to this galaxy picture. This galaxy, like, sky, I don't know. Oh! I was literally making for what? Alright, jump. I don't know why I didn't make that jump. This is really easy. Oh, this isn't gonna be that easy. Alright. Woo! I'm not that good at dodging stuff. Okay. Having milk right now, guys. So good, strawberry milk. Well, I wouldn't say strawberry milk is good, but... Alright guys, I'll be... Milky milk. Alright. My dad just came in and knocked on the door. And you guys didn't see it because I cut it. Alright. What? I didn't even touch it! What is this, you Why am I always naked before I make it? Just make it. Make it. Oh boy, don't touch it. No! I just like instead of trying to not I hate dying. Oh my god, it's glitching. Okay. Whoa! I don't know what I'm supposed to do, guys. I just don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. You guys know I did not touch that. I did not touch it. I did not touch it. You guys know very well I did not. See? It's just like... Oh my god, that's a big obby. Okay, alright. So, basically, I'm the only one playing this. How am I... Please don't tell me. Oh my goodness, my fingers are touching it. Oh my god, my hand is touching it. Alright, stay away. No! I fell off again! I fell off again! And I'm literally on like, I don't know what stage I'm on. Let me see. I'm literally just on like the fourth stage, I think. It's either the... Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. No! I keep falling! Why? I hate falling. Even the milk can't cheer me up. Did I just... What? What just happened? I know I did not touch that. I'm just definitely... Yes! Yes! First visit dfe.ml to get piece 10? 10? 10? I don't get it. What's after that? But there's a huge obby waiting for me. What? We have rupees 10 gift card. What is this, guys? What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm gonna choose another game, and that's the last one. Yeah, that's the last one. I just did this one. Let's try... I'll try this one. Yeah, I'll just try this one. I don't know. Just keep saying Robux. Look at that. Like, just look at that. Robux. This is just like... What? What is this, you guys? What is this? What is this? I mean, like, seriously, what? God. Oh, God. I just highlighted all of this. What's going on? Alright, let's just get on to play the game. Alright, guys, I am in the game. I'm in the exact same avatar, and I am really close. Alright, I'm zoomed in too much. Let me zoom out a bit. Alright. Alright. Okay, this is weird. I don't know what I'm doing. What in the hell is this? This is such an easy obby. I guess I have to complete the obby? And then I'll get the Robux? I don't know. I think I'm pretty sure I'll get kicked off. I'm pretty sure I always get kicked off. Alright. If there is somebody out there that wants to share Robux with the world, please please make a game and that can make you share. And I'm pretty sure these people are hackers. I'm pretty sure. What? Great. I just have to go on all over again. Great. What? I didn't even jump on it. Alright. I guess I have to make sure that I don't touch any of this because then there is no proper checkpoint. Oh boy. Alright, make it. Alright. Use the jumping pad. Just jump. Yes! Alright, yep. We have 2,000 visits. Alright. DIFE.CF. Okay. DIF, let me just E.CF, I don't know, I guess. What's going on? Alright, I'll go home maybe. Yeah, I think I should go home. I don't know. Wait, yeah, I'll go on Robux. I'll just go on Robux. Alright, I'm going on Robux. I'm in the Robux category, and I'm gonna write DIF.CF. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back. You guys. No matches available. What? Oh, just player results. I think I have to go on catalog. And then I have to, I don't know. Alright, let's write it down. Alright. Why don't we buy something for our shoulder? Yeah, let's buy something for our shoulder. Yeah. Good, hi, alright. Guys, I think we should buy this. I think we should get this. Is there anything else similar? Nope. Alright, let's get it. Alright. Hey guys, I'll be right back. You guys, I have a plushie. Whoa, would you know that? So, this is actually a Miniso. That's right, that's what we're talking about, Miniso. So, go ahead and get it. You can buy it online, or you can go and get it by hand. Yeah. Yeah. You can just get this, yeah. Just get it. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah. So, yeah, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you all next time.